Andrew here, DrDetail, Inc.com. This is a rare truck, Freightliner Argosy. It's got almost 3 million on it. We're going to polish it. I just acid washed it. We're going to polish those tanks and make them bling. Old school, Andrew DrDetail, Video 1. We're going to make this look good. Freightliner Argosy, very rare. We're going to get this all looking really, really good, and then they're going to exchange the cab. They got a new cab built for this. Andrew DrDetail, the King of Bling, DrDetailInc.com, Video 1. Do the tanks and wheels. Andrew here, DrDetail. I just polished one of the leading car carriers, enclosed services in the country, Canada, Thorson's. We just finished one of their trucks, polished up the wheels, fuel tanks, looking good. We're the King of Bling. These tanks were tough. This truck's got almost 3 million on it. Next week it's going in and they're going to replace that Argosy cab over design. Andrew DrDetail, Inc.com. We made everything look good. Pickety boo, down there, all the boxes, the wheels. Andrew DrDetail, Inc.com. We are the original DrDetail. All the other ones are imitators. Andrew DrDetail, Inc.com.